Have you ever wondered how to set up DirectIQ email marketing? Do you often wonder which programs are alternatives to DirectIQ email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of DirectIQ email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about everything about DirectIQ email marketing. Now let's get into it. Create as well as send far better emails. A secure platform used by tens of thousands for email marketing. DirectIQ is an email marketing firm with offices in the US and also Europe. They provide service to small to medium-sized businesses, delivering them a simple email marketing remedy. Established in 2008, it has actually substantially increased our customer base and also now has clients around the world. Nevertheless, if you are not satisfied with their solutions, think about DirectIQ alternatives. For email marketing, DirectIQ provides various attributes. These include A/B testing, landing web pages, analytics, subscriber administration, autoresponders, layout monitoring, mobile optimized emails, and much more. There are lots of important and also beneficial combinations such as Dropbox, Expectation, Google Apps, Magento, Shopify, and lots of others. The solution is excellent for small and also average businesses. Their remedy is compatible with Android, Linux, Mac, and Windows, and it is also online. You can experience their solutions under a totally free trial or a complimentary version. There is likewise a discount for a yearly membership. They have a receptive support group that makes it easy to deal with them. However, DirectIQ has its negative aspects. Customers complain concerning emails that go straight to spam. There are a couple of email design templates, as well as there is still space for renovation. Now, look into the checklist of leading 10 DirectIQ alternatives listed below for contrast. DirectIQ alternatives. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐬. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐬 is a market leader in neighborhood business email advertising software. Founded in 1998, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐬 has over 20 years of evaluated success helping greater than 1 million customers around the world accurately get in touch with their prospects and also customers via powerfully simple email advertising and marketing software applications. Along with its prize-winning 24/7 US-based customer help, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐬 supplies the capacity to quickly develop receptive touchdown websites, great deals and take care of contacts, send outstanding emails. MailChimp. MailChimp's all-in-one advertising and marketing platform aids neighborhood company market smarter so you can grow quicker. As the backbone for your customer links, they offer AI-powered, easy-to-use tools anybody can make use of to be efficient. MailChimp puts your target audience at the center so you can send advertising and marketing emails in addition to automated messages, produce targeted advertising campaigns, establish landing pages, send postcards, aid with protection as well as additionally analytics, and likewise supply online. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a marketing and advertising automation device that provides a simple solution for drip email projects and also generates basic forms as well as drip campaigns to instantly send emails to new subscribers. This is an additional email marketing service provider that you can put to examination. The attributes and also devices that they use resemble those of their rivals. For instance, they provide landing web pages, integrations, email development, automation, and more. However, these services might not be enough. Consider ConvertKit alternatives for comparison. SendPulse. SendPulse takes full advantage of the core metric of email advertising and marketing newsletter open price automatically. We gather tons of information concerning billions of subscribers in our system along with forecasting one of the most efficient time and likewise a network for every single customer when to supply the following message to him. Consequently, our customers see a 50% open price increase typically. 𝐜𝐨𝐬 is an incorporated messaging system with the expert system as well as additionally personalization to make customer service agents superhuman, that enables individuals to get in touch with all devices by email, text, web press, SMTP, and so forth. Benchmark. Standard email makes the tools you require basic, so you can return to developing connections, accelerating your company, and raising the bar. For the email marketing devices, you can think of criteria. Email makes use of them. A standard email has a reasonable email marketing service that can be valuable to the growing audience. These include email builder, list building, coverage, touchdown web pages, advertising automation, and extra. These devices and also features come in handy in email marketing. Square. Produce, send, and along track email marketing and advertising tasks in minutes. With an email advertising software application, you can comfortably produce custom emails and develop automatic jobs, in addition to seeing precisely just how your advertising initiatives impact your profits right from your Square control panel. Elastic Email. Elastic Email is a Canadian Polish firm, established in 2010. It is an incredible email marketing system that boosted the most inexpensive email API. With an SMTP relay, robust HTTP API, user-friendly interface, 24/7 global support, and also prices created with small companies in mind, Elastic Email advises and also maintains you in establishing along with sending your email projects. MadMimi. MadMimi is the most basic means to create, send, share as well as also track email newsletters online. MadMimi is for people that desire email advertising and marketing to be fundamental. Each day, over 40 million emails are sent out, shared along with tracked using our terrific as well as efficient solution. Pertaining to us, originally, we really did not outline developing an unusually great email marketing firm. We had actually simply set out to produce an abnormally terrific email. We needed something stylish, very easy along with really simple to make, to advertise our little tracks company. You can always examine the MadMimi alternatives and MadMini review before deciding. Campaign. Campaign allows you to produce, share as well as track e-newsletters as well as additionally marketing emails. There are a lot of attributes and also tools that can be of great usage. You don't require to be a specialist in email marketing. Campaign makes it simple. Campaign makes it easy for beginners and also specialists to do email marketing. The drag and also decline system makes email marketing much more fascinating to those who are new to the video game. Creating is easy and uncomplicated. Optivo. Optivo is a cloud platform of incorporated business applications made for business of all forms and measurements. Take care of virtually any type of sort of service job making use of Optivo's application, from sales and advertising and marketing to invoicing and aid, as well as whatever in between. With Optivo there are no per app rates, and acquire ease of access to the entire system starting at merely $10 monthly per customer. Whether you use Optivo for a solitary application, or to manage your entire firm, it will definitely provide amazing worth to the whole organization. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 sends out a tailored and completely custom-made newsletter to each one of your customers, each time you send. You pick the sources as well as the subject as well as also 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 take care of the rest. Our AI accumulates in addition to sifts with a short posts your sources generate to draw only the most appropriate to your e-newsletter. Articles are after that filtering system and also marked to be sent per personal customer based on their very own special rate of interest. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about everything about DirectIQ email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell. So you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.